Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to save sent documents on WhatsApp Web using the new update on your PC. If you often share files through WhatsApp for work, school, or personal projects, this quick guide will help you back them up easily. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp website and scanning the QR code with your phone, or by opening the desktop app if you already have it installed. Once you're in, everything on your phone will sync right to your PC messages, media, and of course, documents. Next, take a look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see an icon that looks like a small media symbol. Click on that. This is where all your shared content lives: photos, videos, and the section we need today, Docs. Click on Docs to open your list of all sent and received documents. Now, at the top of the Docs window, you'll see a sort icon. Click on it, then select the option labeled You. This filter shows only the documents that you've sent yourself, making it easy to find the files you want to save. Once your sent documents appear, click the select icon at the top of the screen. You can now choose one or more documents just by clicking on them. After selecting your desired files, look for the save. As icon, it's usually represented by a small download style button. Click it, choose the folder where you'd like to store your files, and then hit save. That's it. Your sent documents are now safely saved on your computer, just like any other downloaded files. With this new WhatsApp Web update, managing and backing up your files is faster and simpler than ever. You no longer need to hunt through chat threads. Everything is just a few clicks away. Give it a try and keep your important documents perfectly organized in one place.